Hello and welcome to another Advanced Power series. So today we're going to be extending on the topic of data and talking specifically how do we use telematic data to size and test battery electric powertrains. A battery electric powertrain consists of a battery module and other associated components to deliver the right voltage and current to the motors, which in turn deliver the right torque to the machine and application, which replaces the engine system. Battery cell chemistry and module design is really important, and the specific power and energy requirements of the system need to be considered. Here at Perkins, we're able to use telematic data from machines worldwide to understand how they really get used, and then use that machine learning data and test cycles to test those systems here at Peterborough within our test facility. There are other requirements to take in mind in terms of environmental factors, shock load and vibration, and here at Perkins we validate our full powertrain to make sure that it's durable for the off-highway sector. Thank you for listening, and subscribe and stay tuned for an upcoming video.